Hi guys and welcome to the channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to export HD or 4K videos in Adobe Premiere Pro. Here as you can see I have already edited video and I want to export it. Before starting please subscribe the channel so you can get more informative videos about Adobe Premiere Pro. Press Ctrl+M shortcut key for export setting. Here you can see format box, click on this. You will see a lot of video formats. We just select H264. In preset box you can see a lot of preset here. Let's suppose if we need to upload video on Vimeo. Then we can select Vimeo 1080p Full HD. Here at the end you can see estimated file size, it's 944 MB. Go to video setting and then bitrate setting. Here you can see VBR, 1 pass and target bitrate is 16 and maximum bitrate is 20. Now just go to preset again and select YouTube 1080p Full HD. Here you can see the estimated file size, it's 944 MB. Same as Vimeo 1080p. Go to preset again and select High Quality 1080p HD, and if you want 4K, then select High Quality 2160p 4K. We will select High Quality 1080p HD. Check the estimated file size, it's 1175 MB with default settings. Go to bitrate settings. Here you can change the target bitrate setting and see how much size do you want for your output file. Higher the bitrate, higher the output file size. It depends what you need. And before exporting the file, don't forget to change the name of file and the path where you want to export it. That's all guys. This was simple export setting in Adobe Premiere Pro for YouTube videos. I hope you understand. If you have any confusion, leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tips and tricks. See you in next video.